Assalamu alaikum, I hope you guys do well. So tonight I'm making something really special. You guys requested me to make chocolate truffle, and tonight I'm making 4 to 5 different types of them. You're gonna really enjoy this video. And if you want me to make Palestinian falafels, please share this video with 10 different people. Let's get started. 260 grams of dark chocolate. Roughly chop your chocolate. Now put the chocolate into a bowl. 125 ml of double cream. 35 grams of butter. Use a spatula. Mix and cook this until it starts to simmer. Now when this starts to simmer, remove it from the heat. Now put all that mixture top of the chocolate. Now give this a mix with the spatula here. Alright guys, here you have it. Our chocolate ganache is ready. Looks beautiful. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this ganache sit in the fridge for at least 1.5 hours. This is ready now. So what I'm gonna do is just grab some cocoa powder in my hands, just like this. Grab a spoon, just get some of this mixture into your hand here, like this. And what you're gonna do is just make a small ball, okay? There you go. Just put it here, okay? And now I'm going to melt some milk chocolate in the microwave. Alright, the chocolate is melted, and I'm just gonna grab one of the truffle here and just dip it in, mix it, okay, and then onto the foil paper. Alright guys, now put this in the fridge for 15 minutes, and now I'm going to melt some white chocolate, break into little pieces. Alright guys, I'm just gonna add the white chocolate like this. There you go, beautiful. Nice. Now I'm going to place them back in the fridge for 20 minutes. Some peanuts, let's chop them. First of all, I'm just gonna go like this. Crushed hazelnuts, just a little bit. There's a mix. Now grab one of the truffle and just mix it into these. Beautiful. Desiccated coconut. Get your truffle. Just roll it around here. Cocoa powder. I've got here flake chocolate. I'm just gonna crush it a bit here. Just gonna roll it here. Alright guys, here you have the beautiful truffles. 5 different types. Make sure you definitely try them. Alright guys, I'm gonna try these beautiful truffles. They look amazing. So yeah, here you go. First of all, I'm just gonna try this one. Wow, amazing taste. Wow, look at this one. Let's try it. Try this one now. Wow. Finally this one, coconut. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.